Oh, we got that.
Action.
I'm Troy McClure. Sorry.
Now? Yeah. Okay.
My name is John Case. I'm the CEO of Acumatica.
Sanket Akarkar, I'm the President and Chief Operating Officer.
Marta Lucia Guru, Chief People Officer,
CFO,
Chief Engineering Officer,
UK Country Manager,
Technical Product Manager,
Director of Product Operations, Developer Relations Manager,
Senior Content Developer.
Technical Account Manager,
Regional Manager for Africa.
Major Partner Account Manager,
Strategic Sales Development Manager,
Vice President of Customer Success,
Pre-Sales VAR Enablement, Customer Success Manager for the Africa region, Director of Partner Programs,
COE Customer Success Manager,
Senior Product Marketing Manager,
Associate Director of Demand Gen,
Senior Director, Partner Productivity.
Web Optimization Manager,
Senior Marketing Operations Specialist.
and I've been employed at Acumatica for almost 2 weeks.
6 months,
a little over a year,
2 years,
3.5 years,
4 years,
5 years,
6 years, 7 years.
What I love the most about my job is being able to spend time with customers.
Acumatica always gives an opportunity for career development and growth.
Acumatica is pretty dynamic.
There's something new each and every day.
It's a forward-thinking company.
I want to be with a technology company that's always looking to the future.
I love the culture, I love the people.
We're actually creating a community.
It's an amazing team.
I genuinely love talking to people, so it feels so nice to get paid for this.
Our culture, I think it's very positive. I think it's very people-centric. I think it's very customer-centric. It's a good family vibe.
Super fun.
Welcoming.
Very friendly.
Awesome.
Professional, focused, and effective.
It's a very open, collaborative group.
Appreciative, it's respectful.
Authentic. We're all here to support each other. And I love the flexibility.
you never feel you're alone.
Everyone is working super hard, but don't worry because we play hard too.
Once my mentor told me, never run away from something, always run to something.
Be your own authentic self.
You can go with what you got, or you go with a clean sheet. Innovate and go with new things.
Roughly right is better than precisely wrong. Follow your instinct.
Believe in yourself.
Play the long game.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Don't look back. Talk less. Listen more.
I think we are going to be a generational name in technology, a generational name in ERP. The best thing about the future for Acumatica is the future it can deliver for our customers.
It's an amazing product with a ton of demand.
The future is always bright here at Acumatica.
It's like a roller coaster ride that never grows old and you never know what's going to be around the next corner. I'm just so excited about the growth that I can see ahead.
It's the most exciting company in the world right now to do ERP.
The sky's the limit.
The people here are great, and we work on amazing things every day. This is actually the best company I've ever been a part of.
Acumatica is truly the most inclusive place I have ever worked.
It's an amazing environment,
There is no better place than Acumatica.
and it's going to be the best decision and a fun ride.
Do it.
Go for it.
Come be part of our family.
This is the place to be.
And scene.